This week's video, I do not think you guys are ready for it. We are going to take you on a journey with us to go check out a new place called Ready Burger. We've heard so much good things about it. It's basically the halal vegan version of McDonald's. Yes, you heard that right. It does look a bit kind of like your McDonald's, doesn't it? So you've got your Ready Burgers. It's basically a new store is opening in Crouch End, so we're going to go check that out. Irfan, unfortunately, is not coming with us, but I do have a surprise guest. She's called Adventurous Blondie. I'll link her YouTube below. Go check her out. She's absolutely amazing. Full burger review coming your way right about now.
Yeah, so what you've been up to this weekend, Yazzie?
Thinking about burgers. I'm ready.
You ready?
For the Ready Burger.
I was born ready, Yazzie.
So we just parked and we're on our way to find Ready Burger. And we're so hungry. Like it's,
oh my God.
It's been, I feel like an hour since I last spoke to you. So
I hope we can eat inside, but you said you can't we?
I don't think you can eat inside. I think it's kind of like you just go up to the screen and then you order.
And get cheese
and then you like kind of take it out. So
the explosion burger, if they have one.
Explosion burger. What's that?
I feel like it has hash browns in it and everything.
Oh, did you look at the menu?
I don't know.
The menu looks really good. Anyway, we're like a minute away, so I will let you see for yourself.
It's so lovely that I'm with my Yazzie.
Oh. Okay, bye. Okay.
How you feeling?
Hungry. Let's go.
It's a vegan version of Mackie D's right now, guys. We just talked to the manager and he was basically saying that you cannot tell the difference when it comes to the Big Mac and this food, so we are really excited to try it.
He said we're going to absolutely love it.
Yes, so excited. It's halal as well, guys, so that's a bonus for a lot of people that are eating halal around the world, because we don't really get to enjoy the McDonald's to the fullest. So this could be
game changer.
Exactly.
Okay, so we just got in the car and we are literally so excited to eat this that we're going to just try a cheeseburger now.
Because it's starving.
And it smells so good, and then we're going to wait until we get home
the manager
to finish it.
Was like, he's had customers come in not even realising that this place is vegan, and they've literally gone to take a bite and they've gone, it tastes good, and then he turned around and told them it's actually vegan. And they were like,
it's not me.
What? So I am so hyped. I'm so hyped to check this out. I'm so excited.
He was bigging this up so much as well. He was like, you're gonna love it.
He said it, and he only said that if you know that it's gonna be sick.
Yeah,
right?
These are the chips. That's the logo.
Oh my God.
Simple.
Even these taste like you know who. Don't know?
They're good.
Right.
Right, should we try the cheeseburger? Yeah.
And the good thing is, on their wrappers, they've got the name of the burger. But this one's the Texas one.
Cheeseburger.
They're the cheeseburger.
So we've got quite a few burgers. So when we get back, we'll show you exactly what we've got. But for now, we're just going to try the cheeseburger. Okay, are you ready?
Oh my God, I'm so ready.
I'm
so ready. You don't. Oh my God, it even. OMG, mate. Oh my God, I can't even feel.
So I've just opened it. It already looks so good.
Oh, like it literally looks like you're at Mackey's right now.
Do you want to take the? Should I rip it in half?
Yeah, rip it in half, and then we have to try it together.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks good, mate. Look at that. Look at this, honey bunny.
It's inside. Cheers.
Cheers, my dears. Oh. We're going in.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God, he was not lying when he said you can't tell.
Oh my gosh.
How is vegan food this good?
That is so good. It does taste like McDonald's.
Oh my God, this is probably one of the best burgers I've ever had.
The best like fast food kind of burgers. Or just burgers. So this is like a basic cheeseburger. Just for a basic one. This is so good. It's got the pickles in there.
It's got this kind of like
It's got the cheese,
sauce.
pickles, really nice sauce in there.
Maybe like mustard.
It's like I don't know actually, maybe
Because
yeah.
it's got that colour.
I'm really impressed with that. Mmm.
I'm coming back.
Mmm. That did not disappoint in the slightest. Alright.
10 out of 10.
Okay, so Ned's enjoyed that a bit too much.
I
She's
don't it
spilled
too much. It's there on my hair. Oh, girl,
It's
we've got it.
all down her.
Yes, you're gonna have to clean your car after. I'm really sorry. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for a good time.
Let's hit the road and we'll see you in a sec. Woo. So we are back and we've got all of our food ready to eat. So we have gone for the Big Ready, which is kind of like a Big Mac, isn't it?
Yes, which I'm so excited to try because
Looks like that.
if it's anything like the cheeseburger that we had, this is going to be double whammy.
It's so good. And this is called the Chicken Challenger,
Chicken Challenger.
which is like
chicken selected the other, you know who.
yeah. This is the chicken sandwich. And then in here we've got 3 chicken crispy fillets. And then this
We've
one.
got the Texas Ready Burger.
Texas Stacker Burger.
Ready. And these little pots of heaven. Curry sauce.
And sweet chili sauce.
So yeah.
Some fries and a Coke. So I need to get a knife actually.
You do need to get
Let's have some more chips.
Have some chippies.
Oh.
Lovely.
I'm just gonna go get a knife and we're gonna cut these burgers in half. Ooh.
You better hurry up there.
No! I'm eating all!
She's back.
Let's go! What one should we go for first?
Let's go for that.
Chip again, because these are so good.
Yeah, the sweet chilies.
I've not tried the sweet chili yet, so. Mmm. Ooh, that's really good.
Really good, right?
Yeah.
Got a like nice flavour, kick.
Mhm.
Proper sweet chili that. That's what you call good sweet chili.
So we've already had the cheeseburger, which was amazing.
Oh yeah, look at this, guys.
So this is the Big Ready.
Big Ready.
So it's got 2 layers of patty, pickles, cheese, lettuce,
that lovely sauce.
and really nice Big Ready sauce. It's falling everywhere.
It's so amazing. I can't get over the taste of how good they are.
Oh my god. Honestly. It tastes so good. Like, it doesn't taste vegan, if that makes sense. It literally tastes like meat. Doesn't it? I think it tastes nicer than meat.
I think so too. It just feels lighter on your stomach too as well.
Yeah. So I'm vegan, she's not, but how would you rate that compared to a meat burger?
10 out of 10.
There you go. There's so much flavour. And there's a lot of like, they put a lot in here, don't they? There's a lot of sauce.
Absolutely jam-packed with flavour. There's so much going on. Like, taste buds in the mouth is just like, God damn girl, I'm having a treat today.
Having a party.
I just don't want it to end.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, mayonnaise everywhere.
You know when you stop talking, that's when you know you're enjoying it.
Yeah. Even the cheese is just like, wow.
I can honestly say that was a 10 out of 10. Easy. So good. It's got
Another burger, another 10.
It's got all of the flavours, the same flavours as Big Mac. Really nice meaty texture and taste, but tastes even nicer. Yeah, everything was very similar. Like, you just can't fault it. It's delicious. Sweet chili.
That's so good, mate. Yeah. Obviously, I know you make some of these at home, don't you? I've never had anything that's vegan.
Smells
crispy.
good.
Well, I'll get out the camera.
Really crispy texture there. Yum.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Smells
at
good.
that. Oh yeah, I don't really smell my food before I eat it. I just go straight in my mouth, but it smells good.
Go.
That is amazing. That's good, man.
Wow. It's got like a southern fried chicken taste, hasn't it? Like the seasoning is like southern fried. I don't know how they do it, honestly. It looks like chicken. It looks just like chicken inside. These have actually got a very mild spice.
They have.
We noticed.
They've been blended with the coating, haven't they?
A very mild spice, but really delicious flavour and really crispy. A lot of the like chicken substitutes I've tried before that are like fillets, you can kind of taste that they're not chicken, if that makes sense. But these ones, they do have a really chickeny taste and texture, and with flavours, like it's really seasoned nicely. So yeah, these are the best chicken fillets I've ever had. It's so cool.
In here.
In there.
In here.
This has got 2 patties, onion ring, cheese, lettuce, mayo, pickles. Yeah.
Is it like a hash brown at the top or something?
I think it's an onion ring.
Onion ring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. That's what it looks like.
Nice.
Cheers.
Cheers. Can you even deal?
I can't even deal. I'm sorry, but these are just so good.
I know you keep saying so good.
Genuine reaction, genuine review. These are absolutely amazing. The patties are really soft. The buns are really soft.
They've literally nailed the
So flavourful and really juicy, aren't they?
I'm just saying, like, it's amazing. We're so lucky that we're eating this and you're watching us, but
I don't know what else to say, but amazing.
it's got so jam-packed with flavours that you don't even need any extra dips.
No.
Any extra, because at some places you go to, the sauce makes the food,
Yeah.
but this,
The burgers, the patty's got really nice flavour, hasn't it? Are you ready
I am ready
for the chicken challenger?
for the challenger. Is it called a chicken challenger?
It sure is. It looks like they've put 2 fillets in the burger with mayo and lettuce. My eyelash is falling off.
I seen that in the car, but I didn't want to I didn't want to say anything.
Why?
I was like, you know what, you're living a good life right now. Chicken cheers.
Cheers. Chicken cheers.
Chicken cheers. My dears.
Oh my god. Oh.
Is that the best? Getting me excited now. I'm going in guys, going in.
I can't even cope. Does that not just taste like a chicken burger?
Oh my god, it does. Yeah, proper chicken burger, that in it. What would you say is your favourite?
This is good. Can I just say, this is the best chicken burger that I've ever had. Because I've had my fair share trying vegan chicken burgers. This one is just up there.
Too good.
And it's the cheapest.
It's the cheapest too, yeah.
I think the chicken challenger or the Texas stacker.
Really?
I don't know, they're all just so good. Because like the cheeseburger as well, that was good.
Gosh, the cheeseburger was just damn.
And that
It
came
was
out fresh
packed.
from the shop, didn't
Fresh
it?
from the shop, and it was just packed. Even though it's just like one patty, it was just, everything else was packed inside.
It was delightful.
So guys, you definitely need to go check this place out. By the way, it's not sponsored, but this place is just game changing. And it's like what we said in the car, innit? You said this could be
like massive.
Mhm.
This could go massive, and I think it definitely has got the potential to be such a big chain across the world, not even just in the UK.
They've started with two chains. The first one that's open yesterday was, and the one that we went to today was the Crouch End branch. And they're also opening one in Finchley, but I think that opens in June. But I just think it's going to do really well because I've only been vegan a year and a half and I've not been able to really have McDonald's. And I have missed like the convenience of grabbing a McDonald's, or you know, even just the taste of it. All I could really get was chips. This is a completely plant-based replacement for McDonald's.
They've literally got it on point.
And I feel like I can have McDonald's again. So this is it.
The Oreo.
It comes in this packaging. Little white tub. We've gone for the Oreo. 2 spoons. How romantic.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's just got Oreo bits in there. Mmm. Mmm.
I always wait for Yassi's reaction. Oh my god.
How good is that?
Mate, I'm taking mine home. Oh my god, it's like little pieces of heaven inside this. Oh my god.
All we're saying is that, oh my god, so good.
I know.
But like, what else do you say?
Astonishing. This just tastes so wonderful, like chocolate heaven. Isn't it?
Yeah.
What a time to be alive,
Our
guys.
savoury stomach was full, but our dessert stomach was empty. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to go and check out Ready Burger because you won't regret it. It is so delicious. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, and we shall see you soon.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.